MALEM gi MAPHAM KAYADA World Blood Donor Day gi Thouram Pangthoknabagum Manipur Dasu State ki Thakta Shinduna Pangthokkhre Thouram adu National Health Mission State Health Society gi State Blood Cell amadi State Blood Transfusion Council Manipur anina khutsamnaduna ngasi GP Women's College ke holder pangthokhibani celebrating 20 years of giving. Thank you, blood donors. Haiba theme ge makada pangthokiba Thouram aduda Manipur Lenga ke Health Services ke Director Dr. O Sanahanbi, NHM Manipur ke State Mission Director Dr. Somojit Ningombam, RIMS ke Department of Transfusion Medicine ke Professor Dr. A. Barindra, Jenims Blood Center ke Senior MO in Charge Dr. Konsam Surjit Amadi, GP Women's College ke Principal Hizam Romina Athoiba Mithunglen Singh oina sarukya ke Thouram gi saruk ama oina MAPHAM aduda voluntary blood donation camp amaso pangthoktuna mioi nifu henbana I dan tawkhi loinana matam sangna I pirakhraba mioi singda certificate sing piduna ikai khunna butkhi Thouram aduga mari leinana Health Services ke Director Dr. Sana Hanbina hai mioi ama na I donate Thouram haibase mioi ama ki punsi kanbane EP ba haibase mioi ba ki punsi kanba khak natana hakchang fana lehanbada chawna mateng panglibane loinana chang nai na EP ba asina nungai bu punsi mahing amaso pibangami matam sang na EP duna laklaba mioi sing buso hainingai leitana thagat pa phongdokli haina Sana Hanbina makhatana phongdokhe
Voluntary blood donor high not only saving the life of those needed people, being a voluntary blood donor, they are healthy lifestyle healthy lifestyle all those things. This is a healthy lifestyle too. I would like to give my great gratitude to those whoever is involved in this blood transfusion and the blood donation campaign.